Hi, these are your directions for today, just to make sure you're on the right track. So you should be in Google Classroom, and as you scroll down you have a few things to do, and it matters that they go in this order. The first thing is you're going to log into PowerTest and take a writing SGA kind of re-assessment after we've remediated. The directions are written right here, but in short there's only like 20 questions on it, so you need to make each question count. 65% would be passing, which means you could only miss like 5 or 6. So don't miss it if you know it, and if you're still missing something, we'll work on that for the next couple weeks. When you're finished with your PowerTest, that should take like 25-30 minutes max. When you're done with that, you need to go to Revision Assistant, and the link is right here. On Revision Assistant, remember that your username is your first name, last name, @ SRMS, so that's it. Don't put the Bedford blah blah blah. The only exception was if you had a hyphenated last name. A couple of you did, and it was like first name, last name, space, other last name, @SRMS. So your lunch number is your password with an extra 0 on the end unless you changed it. So when you go to Revision Assistant, after your PowerTest, you're going to log in as a student. I'm stealing somebody's right now. And when you get in there, you should see a couple assignments that pop up. The one that you were worried about is where it says week 25. So this is what it would look like, and you don't need to say start pre-writing, because you should probably have already done pre-writing. You need to read these directions to yourself and scroll down, and it'll say start writing. And remember that this thing gives you feedback, and you're looking for a signal strength of like 4s all the way across. So you put whatever your draft is there, click signal check, and it will give you some feedback. You can do that as many times as you need to, but if you don't actually change things, then it doesn't change your signal strength. And then remember that you can click proofread up to 3 times. Would definitely do that. So when you're done, you click turn in so I can see it, but the big deal is to make sure you copy and paste whatever you have right here into this Google Doc so that you can actually use it and change it and do whatever you want. So you get a grade for your first draft, but big deal is you get a grade for your essay. So anything that you proofread and change, please put in your actual essay draft. So your essay is due on Friday. Please use your time today. Make sure you ask questions if you get stuck. This assignment should take you about 30 minutes. This assignment should take you the rest of class, because if you have a good solid draft, do lots of revisions and keep working on it. If you don't have a good solid draft, then you need to get it to where it is a good solid draft. On Friday, you can refine your essay and type anything you need to. So ask questions if you need to. This should be pretty good. Use your time.